Hi, this is Asam Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing team, and we have with us today Mr. Vinay Shah from Medion Healthcare. Sir, thank you very much for taking your time with us. I'd really like to know the brief about the company, the journey of your company.
Okay, so we're a 46-year-old company. We started in Mumbai, and over the years we've got into manufacturing of various medical equipments. Today we have a host of medical equipments, mainly capital equipments. So we have a plant based in Ahmedabad where we manufacture X-ray machines, CR machines, IC ventilators, anesthesia machines, patient monitoring systems. We do complete mobile healthcare, which is fabrication of ambulances, so on and so forth. We have a lot of regional offices across India, in Noida, in Patna, in Kolkata, in Bangalore. We cater to the pan-India and the Indian subcontinent also, so Nepal, Sri Lanka, other countries. We export to a host of African nations, Middle Eastern countries, certain Asian countries. That's what we do.
That is very wonderful. I would really like to know what is the recent technology that you have incorporated in your company?
The recent technology? So anything that you see today is state of the art. Whatever has been out there in the Western markets or in the European markets recently, we've incorporated that within our machines today, be it our CR machines. The one we have is the flat panel detector, which very few manufacturers in India are manufacturing that product. We started that 5 years ago. We were the very first ones to do it in India. So say we're the pioneers of that within India. Similarly, for our anesthesia machines, our ICU ventilators, any technology you see out there being made in Japan or being made in Germany or being made in the US, we've incorporated that into our machine.
It's wonderful. I really like to know how far, as of now, how successful, how beneficial has been this event for you?
This event so far has been, I think it's just the second day. Today's been, we've seen a lot more footfalls today. Yesterday was a slower day, but we've seen a lot of people today. As you can see, our stall is quite full of people today. So I think it's been pretty beneficial.
That was all from my side. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.